Here we go. I couldn't find your tripod. I looked behind the door. I looked everywhere. I didn't see it to the window.
Yeah.
The Juncos don't mind. When I was out there, they were all around the bottom eating, and I was over by...
They don't care at all.
I know. They didn't mind until I walked over towards them.
Chickadees the same way.
Yeah.
Don't care.
So the rose-breasted nuthatch was just in the feeder.
A rose-breasted? Red-breasted.
Red-breasted. It looks, yeah, looks like it's barely red though. Okay, here's the potatoes. You want some of these?
Sure. Ooh, that chicken's a little spicy. Pepper, right? That's all it is, right? Pepper.
A little bit ghost pepper in there.
Oh, really?
Oh, that was still going. I don't know if there's any cards.
Touch it.
You probably hit the books.
I didn't touch it because it was not stable enough.
Oh, big blue jay butt.
Oh, God.
Huh? Oh, yeah,
Ooh.
little hot.
There's a... There's
Oh.
Right there.
I see it, yeah. I saw something red up there in the snow, and I thought, what is that? You know what it is? It's her tail light on her car.
Oh, that burned a hole inside my mouth.
It's steaming. I'm surprised you did that.
Wow, it's a shitload of birds.
It's not that hot anymore.
Oh, it is too. The big blue
Not
jay on
to
top.
me.
That's pretty funny. He landed on top of it. It looks like a road runner. His tail's all perky and
Who?
the blue jay.
Oh.
He was right on top. He's still they're pregnant.
Oh yeah.
He's all perky.
I'll clean that snow off so they can get up there. What was that? Your phone?
Yeah.
I'm glad the jackets are nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, it'll be good for driving in and stuff.
still wonder why that berry was laying out in the woods like that. That's strange.
I think somebody had a snack and
Mm-hmm.
that's all it
Looks
is.
like it. Look, I have.
Cranberry.
It did, but there's cranberry bushes right there, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know for sure which ones they are.
I didn't know that.
But that's not a wild cranberry as far as I know. You still running? It's on the compost.
Cardinals.
The cardinal's on the composter. He was just on the feeder.
Shit, by the time I get over there, they're
No,
gone.
he's fine. He's just hopped.
Oh, there he is in the tree.
Can I have one of those?
I just saw the flowers poking out of the snow on the gate.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when we were in Ipsy and those people had the flowers planted by their house and you'd see them in the winter?
Yeah. They had a beagle.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And all of a sudden we didn't see the beagle anymore.
Yeah, I think that moved. Because you didn't see the flowers there for a while. Believe it, when we moved here and I was working at Newkirk and that idiot in my office, I can't remember his name anymore, when he said something about how we had a nice starter home here. He thought he was some big deal because he lived in Burnt Hills. I thought, what? Where? I had no idea what he was talking about.
I've had enough.
Enough potatoes?
Yeah.
This is really good for you, this kind of
It's
potato.
very good. Looking one I could find and cook it.
Biggest and earliest one of what?
Sweet potatoes.
Oh.
And you know, all the recipes said to scoop it all out. I said, hell with that. I eat the skin and all.
Well.
But ours were kind of tough. Ones out of the garden. Were the big ones like that too? Tough?
I don't know. I just peeled them all because
Yeah.
I wanted to get the bad spots on them and the wire worm and
Yeah,
stuff.
we're looking. Yeah. Seemed like there was a couple of different types. Well, looking at the cardinal in the tree. You see him on the branch? Oh,
Oh yeah.
he looks really cool.
Yeah, well, I can't.
That's a typical cardinal picture. You gotta zoom out so you have the whole bird feeder. He's still up there. Right.
There he is. Now he flew. Now he's in the feeder.
Okay.
Now he's in the feeder, where I've been trying to get him the whole time.
I'm gonna sit down and
There must be something on my.
don't actually feed on him. Those are cold.
Oh.
That's that thing. That's a weird sensation. Yeah, green. You say your name. Right, go on. Go find your own spot. Here. Supposed to be a high of 23 today.
Oh boy.
Mostly sun cloudy. It's not even supposed to be sunny today at all.
It is sunny. It's sunny all day. Sun's already starting to go down.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock. Says on the Weather Nation we're supposed to get snow till 3 p.m. Oh no. It's like 19%, 10%. So 2. Yeah, no more pizza till,
Next week.
I don't know. Tomorrow's supposed to be partly sunny and the percentage is like 3% chance. There's nothing there. Huh. It did it again. Kicked me out. Instead of going back to the next screen, it took me all the way up.
I gotta get my motor. I didn't even put this one up here.
Oh, this will fizzle out. Might be enough to make a base. Hello, is this Mountain? My name's Chip Wilson. We had an appointment at 9 o'clock. I got your message, but I had tried to call earlier, but everybody's line was busy. I tried a couple times. Awesome. Well, what time do you want Toronto? Again, I'd like to go with the morning. Okay. Yeah, we've got 2 feet of snow on that road. You can't even go get out. Yeah. So, right. So you're not parking on the street. Yeah. All right. Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye. Sorry. All right.
big bird just flew over. It's probably the hawk.
Yeah.
You could see the shadow.
Well, that red tail flies over every day. But I saw one of our gray hawks
Yeah.
cross the road
Oh, okay.
yesterday. It was definitely an adult. It was huge.
Wow. It looks funny how they're climbing down the snowbank to get down to the ground.